The expensive gift. Leo wiped the sweat from his forehead as he arranged the last box of strawberries in his small fruit shop. The bell above the door jingled, and his best friend Marco walked in with a big smile. "Ready for lunch?" Marco asked, but then noticed Leo's worried face. "What's wrong?" "It's Sofia's birthday next week," Leo sighed. "I want to buy her something special, but everything costs so much money." Sofia was Leo's girlfriend of 1 year. She came from a wealthy family, while Leo worked hard in his small fruit business. Sometimes he felt he couldn't give her the beautiful things she deserved. Marco patted his friend's shoulder. "Sofia loves you for who you are, not for expensive gifts." "I know," Leo said. "But I saw this beautiful silver necklace in the jewelry store window. It has a small heart pendant that shines like real diamonds. It's perfect for her, but it costs $300. Marco whistled. "That's almost your whole month's rent." "I know," Leo said sadly. "But I have an idea. For the next week, I'll work extra hours. I'll deliver fruits to offices early in the morning and keep the shop open until late at night. Maybe I can save enough money." For the next 7 days, Leo worked like he never had before. He woke up at 4 a.m. to pack fruits for delivery. He visited offices before they opened, selling fresh fruits for breakfast. During the day, he worked in his shop. In the evenings, he delivered fruit baskets to homes. He was exhausted, but he kept thinking about Sofia's smile when she would see the necklace. On Friday evening, the day before Sofia's birthday, Leo counted his money. He had exactly $300. He quickly closed his shop and ran to the jewelry store. "I'd like to buy the silver necklace with the heart pendant," he told the shopkeeper proudly. The shopkeeper smiled. "Ah, you have good taste. This is our most popular item. It looks much more expensive than it is." Leo didn't care that it wasn't real diamonds. To him, it was the most beautiful necklace in the world because it represented his love and hard work. The next day, Leo put on his best clothes and carefully placed the small jewelry box in his pocket. He met Sofia at their favorite cafe. She looked beautiful in a simple blue dress. "Happy birthday," Leo said, kissing her cheek. "Thank you." Sofia smiled. "I'm so happy to see you. You look tired. Have you been working too hard?" Leo just smiled nervously. "I have your birthday present." He took the small box from his pocket and handed it to her. Sofia's eyes widened when she opened the box. "Oh, Leo. It's beautiful. But, it must have been so expensive." Her smile faded slightly. "You shouldn't have spent so much money." "I wanted to," Leo said proudly. "I worked extra hours all week to buy it for you." Sofia looked at him with concerned eyes. "Leo, I love the necklace, but I'm worried about you working so hard. I don't need expensive gifts. I just need you." She put the necklace on, and it did look beautiful around her neck. But Leo noticed she wasn't as happy as he had imagined she would be. That evening, Sofia's parents held a big birthday party for her at their large house. Many wealthy friends and family members attended. Leo felt a little uncomfortable among the rich guests in their fancy clothes. Sofia's uncle approached them. "Happy birthday, Sofia. Let me see what your boyfriend gave you." He looked at the necklace and smiled politely. "Very nice." But Leo could tell he didn't think it was special. Later, Sofia's cousin Emma came over. She was wearing a gorgeous diamond necklace that sparkled under the lights. I love your necklace, Sofia. Is it new? Sofia touched her silver necklace. Yes, Leo gave it to me for my birthday. Emma examined it closely. It's pretty, she said, but her tone suggested she didn't think it was valuable. Leo felt embarrassed. His gift seemed small compared to the expensive presents others had brought: designer bags, gold jewelry, and even a weekend trip to Paris. After most guests had left, Sofia found Leo sitting alone in the garden. You've been quiet all evening, she said, sitting beside him. Leo sighed. I'm sorry my gift isn't as fancy as the others. Sofia took his hand. Leo, look at me. When he finally met her eyes, she continued. Do you know what my favorite gift was tonight? The trip to Paris from your parents? Leo guessed. No, Sofia said. It was this necklace. She touched the silver heart. Because you worked so hard to buy it for me. Because you thought about what would make me happy. Because it comes from your heart, not just your wallet. Tears came to Leo's eyes. Really? Really, Sofia said firmly. When Emma showed me her diamond necklace, I didn't feel jealous at all. Because my necklace has a story. It has love behind it. That makes it more valuable than all the diamonds in the world. She continued, but Leo, promise me something. Never work yourself to exhaustion just to buy me expensive things. Your health and happiness are more important to me than any gift. Leo finally understood. I promise. The next day, Sofia visited Leo at his fruit shop. She was wearing the silver necklace proudly. You know, she said, several people asked me about my necklace yesterday. When I told them the story behind it, they all said it was the most romantic gift they had ever heard of. Leo smiled. Really? Yes, Sofia said. And it gave me an idea. What if you create special fruit baskets with stories? Like a get-well-soon basket with a card explaining why you chose each fruit. Or a congratulations basket with a personal message. Leo's eyes lit up. That's a brilliant idea. People would love gifts that have meaning behind them. Over the next few months, Leo started creating these special fruit baskets. He wrote little stories about why he included certain fruits, how oranges bring sunshine on cloudy days, how apples represent health and wisdom, how strawberries symbolize sweet moments in life. His business grew rapidly. People loved receiving these meaningful baskets. They said the stories made the fruits taste even sweeter. One evening, 6 months later, Leo and Sofia were walking through the park. They stopped at their favorite bench. I have something for you, Leo said. He handed Sofia a small fruit basket containing one perfect strawberry. Sofia laughed. What's this? Read the card, Leo said softly. Sofia opened the small card. It read, This strawberry represents the sweetest moment of my life, the day I realized that the most expensive gifts aren't measured by money, but by love. Sofia, will you marry me? As Sofia looked up in surprise, Leo got down on one knee and opened a small box. Inside was a simple silver ring. Yes. Sofia cried, pulling him up to hug him. 1,000 times yes. As they embraced, Sofia whispered in Leo's ear, This is the most expensive gift anyone has ever given me, because it comes with your whole heart. Leo finally understood the true meaning of an expensive gift. It wasn't about the price tag. It was about the love, thought, and meaning behind it. And that made all the difference in the world.